what we got then, guys, on this rig by effectively is a simulation of the water network in Wales. So this is a reservoir elevated at about 160 metres, so that could be the Brecon Reservoir. And this scale on this side is actually the height of the ground at various points throughout Wales. So this could be streets in Wales, these could be towns, and this then at that sort of level, at sea level, we'd say would be Cardiff. And we've also got a pump here that could be pumping to various other areas throughout Wales. So all we're going to do first of all is open the supply for Brecon, and we can measure with this pressure transducer the pressure at various points throughout Wales. It's a simulation, it's not the actual pressure, but it gives us an idea of what we can expect. So if I turn on the water, Brecon, and so we've got water being supplied down this section of the network. We've got various points blanked off there. So I've got a pressure transducer at this point here, all right, which is about 10, 20, 30 metres below the height of the reservoir. So if I then go to my pressure transducer, okay, you can see we've got a pressure of approximately 2.5 bar. All right. So what I'm going to do now is blank that one off and measure the pressure systematically coming down, and we should see the pressure building up, hopefully. Okay, so I'll knock that off. Okay, it's going to be a little bit of spillage of water temporarily. Shows that there is a proper working network. There you go. So I've blanked it off by there, and we'll try the pressure at this point. So we would expect then the pressure now to have increased by 20 metres or so. Okay. And there you are, the pressure has gone up to round about 6 bar. All right, obviously these are approximate values because we are simulating. The pressure is in reality a lot less on the water. We'll just go down one further stage before we go down to the bottom. So we're looking at the depth here between 70, we're looking at 90 metres head of water now. And as you'd expect, there you are, the pressure's gone up to about 9.5 bar. So we're dealing with really quite significant pressures of water here. That would be sufficient to blow up a carriageway in a road if it wasn't controlled. Okay, well, I'll blank this one off and we'll test the pressure right at the bottom end of the network. Okay, what I'm going to do first of all is just measure the pressure. As you can see, we've got 0 pressure there, but you know that's just an error in the instrumentation. And the reason for that is this valve is closed. So what I'm going to do is open this valve, and incrementally we should see the pressure going up. Okay, so here I'm going to open the valve. It's filling up with water. You see the water filling up, and the pressure is going up steadily, 12, 13, 14. You see the flow rate will begin to slow up as the pressure in this valve will equal the pressure to the head of water there. Okay, so it's creeping up down to about 16.8, 16.9 bar, and there you are, the flow has stopped. Okay, what we're going to do for the second demo is then, as you see, we've moved to another part of the water network, and this area is perhaps further east or west from Cardiff, but it's still quite high up, so it's up in the sort of valleys area, and we're approximately 40 to 45 metres below the reservoir in Brecon. So we're going to be, we will expect the water pressure when we fit it all up at about 4.5 bar. Let's just see what it is per day now. As you can see, it's round about 0 again because there's nothing connected to this town. The network has been disconnected. So I'm going to reconnect now to the network, and what will happen, you'll see this town being filled up from the reservoir. A little bit of as you can see, it's filling up. And we should see the pressure going up as we're expecting, it's gonna hover around about 4.5 to 5 bar. There you are. 4.8. It's exactly what we'd expect, because the difference in height here is about 45 or so meters. Okay. So the next thing we need to do now is connect our pump, and we'll steadily increase the pressure to this